Most people overcomplicate fat loss. This is the no BS step-by-step guide I use for me and my clients to get shredded for summer. Step 1, set a real goal. Don't just say, I want to get lean. Pick a specific deadline, whether that's a trip, a wedding, a photo shoot. For example, I'm going to Barcelona at the beginning of August and I want to look my best by that time. Step 2, calculate your fat loss calories. The most simple way to do this is to multiply your goal body weight by 13. That should be your daily calorie target to start. And we're not trying to starve ourselves, we're trying to get into maybe 300 to 500 calorie deficit. The next step is what I call the big 3 of fat loss. Number 1 is protein. Eat at least 1 gram per pound of body weight. Number 2 is steps. Get at least 10,000 steps per day. Number 3 is weight training. At least 3 times a week or however much you were doing before. Anything on top of these 3 is bonus, but those are what move the needle. Make sure to track your progress, not necessarily just your weight. Check your weight daily, take progress photos, notice how your clothes are fitting you. Don't change your plan just because your weight went up or down. The trends are what matter, not necessarily the days. The most important part is being consistent. The amount of times people have told me they want to lose weight, and then I ask them, what have you actually done to lose weight? They'll say they haven't done anything. And if they have done something, they might have been on keto for a week or something like that, and they didn't see any results, so they quit. Be consistent. A general rule of thumb is if you haven't seen progress in 2 weeks, then you adjust the plan. But until then, stay the course. The next step is optional, but it could be helpful. I think making it publicly known that you want to lose weight could help you actually in the long run. Own it as your identity. Be the guy who is trying to lose weight. Post updates on social media, tell your friends. Everyone loves a transformation story. And better yet, get a coach. Click the link in the description, by the way. And that's it. There's no magic. There's no starvation involved. You just need a structured plan to track it and to be consistent. If you want me to build a custom plan for you, click the link in the description. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. All of those are in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.